right, you've used My Private Shares, you've communicated with a prospective buyer or seller, and you're ready to make a transaction. What happens now? Let's take a look at these messages. Let's look at this top one. So I'm discussing with William Raster. I have offered a counteroffer for his shares. He's game, I'm game. Let's make this happen. So the next step that we do here is click See Transfer Instructions. So this is very important. We don't transact on the platform itself. You will finalize the transactions either with your own bank's third-party trading operations situation, their own. Well, this is terrible. I'm restarting over again. Okay. Let's say you have finished your goal on My Private Shares. You have either found a buyer or seller, you've communicated, you've found good terms, you're ready to make a transaction. What do you do next? Well, I will show you. Go to Messages and look at the most recent conversation or the conversation that shows that you two have come to an agreement. In this case, I am trying to buy shares from William Raster. We've agreed on a new price. We're ready to do it. So what do we do next? We click See Transfer Instructions. So we don't actually do the transaction on the My Private Shares platform. You'll complete these final steps with your bank and get the transaction actually finalized. So the way to know how to do this is to click this button and then look at the PDF that's linked here. It may be a slightly different name for your own bank. Of course, this is just a sample, but it will lead you to this transfer instructions folder, and you'll find your own bank's unique process. You may also find a folder with forms that are relevant to how your bank handles things. This is an example of a PDF you might see, just some basic information of what is needed from the bank to get the transfer situated, but basically, when you're done, you've had that conversation, ready to finalize that transaction, you click that button, you read the transfer instructions, and take it from there.